At Healthy Smile Pharmacy, we trust Dentaid's innovation to care for and protect tooth enamel with nano repair technology. Based on hydroxyapatite nanoparticles, a natural element in teeth, it guarantees complete integration with tooth enamel. Its unique properties help protect enamel to prevent decay while they restore teeth's natural whiteness and repair sensitivity. Even healthy food and drinks such as fruit, kombucha and hydration drinks make the mouth an acidic environment that erodes tooth enamel. Plaque bacteria attach more easily to eroded enamel and in turn produce acid, further demineralizing and weakening our teeth's natural enamel armor. Enamel erodes towards the softer, inner part of our tooth, putting us at risk of decay. Hydroxyapatite nanoparticles form deposits on the micro-irregularities on tooth enamel, remineralizing its surface. They form a protective coat, resistant to the erosion caused by dietary acid attack. In this way, they shield the tooth against enamel erosion and prevent sensitivity. Dentaid technology. Nano repair is a true revolution for your oral health. VITIS Anticaries harnesses this revolution to guard enamel against erosion, protect against acid attack, and shield teeth from decay. The hydroxyapatite nanoparticles repair and strengthen demineralized tooth enamel, form an erosion-resistant protective coat on tooth surfaces. Dentaid, the trusted dental innovators at Healthy Smile Pharmacy.